Ako naniniwala talaga na yung biggest contributor of our stress, kung bakit tayo na-stress, dahil sinusubukan natin kontrolin yung mga bagay-bagay na nakapaligid sa atin. At to some extent, pati yung mga tao. Pati yung mga tao na nakapaligid sa atin gusto natin kontrolin. Yun ang nagpapastress sa'yo. Kaya ito yung isi-share ko sa inyo ngayon. Kasi I was a supervisor before. I used to handle 6 individuals. And sa sales kasi, medyo stressful din. And nung bago akong promote, yun yung mentality ko eh. I wanted them all to work as hard as I used to do when I was like them. Pero nung na-realize ko na each individual, iba-iba talagang strength and weaknesses. And with all the trainings that I went through, nakakatulong yun. And dun ko na-realize na talagang mai-stress ka lang pag susubukan mong kontrolin yung ibang tao, yung nakapaligid sa iyo. Kasi the only thing that you can do is just to explain to them kung ano yung dapat gawin. At the end of the day, sila pa rin yung gagawa. Sila yung magdi-deliver ng numbers, and let them do some maneuvers and use their own creativity para ma-hit yung target. Huwag mong kontrolin dahil mai-stress ka lang.